So, hello students, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the low resistivity material and their applications, right? इसके पहले का हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, right? So, first low resistivity material is copper, right? Low resistivity, or you can say high conductivity, right? So it is most widely used metal because its conductivity, because it has very high conductivity. This is high, right? HIGH. So this is copper is having very high conductivity, right? Now what are the different properties? Properties are this copper is reddish in color, right? It is basically non-magnetic material, and it has high resistance to corrosion, right? Due to its ductility property, I have already explained this, it can be drawn into very thin wires and sheets as per the desired shape and size, right? ये लचीला है, right? Ductile है, that means इसको आप अपने required application के according इसको you can fabricate this, right, in form of thin wires and sheets. All right, this is only possible due to ductility property of this copper, right? Its tensile strength is very high, right, and it varies from 8.15 to 4.72 turns per centimeter square, right? So this is experimental data, you need not to remember, right? You just keep in mind that it has very high tensile strength, right? इसी तरह से it can easily be soldered and welded, which is necessary in electrical wiring. All right, so I have discussed this property, solderability, right, earlier. It has low contact resistance, right? Its melting point is 1084 degrees Celsius, right? That means it has very high melting point, right? Similarly, you can write it has good thermal conductivity. तो एग्ज़ाम में अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ लिखने के बारे में, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, राइट, दे कैन आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, तो आपको यही सारी प्रॉपर्टीज़ लिखनी है. आउट ऑफ दीज 10 प्रॉपर्टीज़ यू कैन राइट एनी 5 to 6 प्रॉपर्टीज़, राइट? ओके, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मार्क्स यू कैन राइट योर आंसर. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कॉपर, राइट? कॉपर इज़ यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग द वायर्स और केबल्स ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर, राइट? Copper used for motor winding, copper used for generator winding, right? Copper की winding आप ट्रांसफार्मर में भी देख सकते हैं, right? So it has so many applications, right? So likewise you can discuss the application of copper. Okay, next material that you will study is, it is aluminium, right? Aluminium. So aluminium, now tell what are the properties of aluminium? Its electrical conductivity is less than copper, right? So if in exam, if it is asked which material has highest conductivity, which material has comparatively higher conductivity between aluminium and copper, then what is the answer? Copper, right? Answer is copper. Copper has high conductivity in comparison to aluminium, right? But aluminium is also very good conductor of electricity, right? But not as good as copper. Okay, so it is soft and white colored metal, right? You might have seen aluminium wires. Okay, so it is soft and white colored metal. It is ductile and can be drawn into thin wire, right? It is also ductile like copper, that's why you can draw it into desired shape and size, right? It can be drawn into thin wires due to its ductility property, right? Now its temperature coefficient is 0.0035 per degree Celsius at 20 degrees centigrade. its melting point is 655 degrees Celsius, right? So these are all experimental data. Okay, you need not to remember, just remember that it has high melting point, and right, its resistivity is 2.8 into 10 to power minus 8 ohm meter, right? Again, it's a experimental data, so you need not to remember, just remember that it is 1.6 times higher than copper. Its resistivity is 1.6 times higher than copper. That means conductivity is lower than copper. All right. Next point is it has high contact resistance. Next point is its tensile strength is 0.95 to 1.57 tons per centimeter square, right? Again, it's experimental data. Next point is it is softer than copper, right? It is softer than copper, right? It offers high resistance to corrosion, right? So these are some of the properties of aluminium. If it is asked in exam, then you should write all these properties, right? Okay. Now, what are the uses, applications? So it is used in domestic wiring, right? The most popular and common use of this aluminium, right? It is used in rotor parts of a squirrel cage induction motor. It is used in bus bars, right? Likewise, in overhead transmission lines, it is used in the form of ACSR conductor, right? ACSR conductor. ACSR stands for aluminium conductor steel reinforced, right? तो इसमें देखिए क्या होता है, इट्स ए स्पेशल पर्पस कंडक्टर, राइट? तो यहाँ पर देखिए दिस ACSR conductor, what is the speciality of this conductor? In this, the central core is made of aluminium and the strands, these are the strands, right? So this central conductor that you see, this bigger circle at the center, this is it is made from steel, right? It is made from steel, right? It is made from steel, right? Intentionally it is made from steel and not the aluminium, right? And these outer periphery conductor, they are made from aluminium, right? These are called as strands, right? हिंदी बोले तो लड़ित कंडक्टर, राइट? सो हियर ये जो लड़ियाँ आप देख रहे हैं, ये these are basically एल्यूमिनियम कंडक्टर. और ये जो सेंट्रल पोर्शन है, ये जो देख रहे हैं, दिस इज मेड फ्रॉम स्टील, राइट? स्टील is intentionally used to provide the mechanical strength, right? So this conductor is, the name of this is ACSR conductor, right? Aluminium conductor is steel reinforced. What is the meaning of steel reinforced? That means reinforcing means to strengthen, to provide, to increase the mechanical strength, right? तो मैकेनिकली इसको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए हम इसके सेंटर में एक स्टील प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं सर्किल बीच वाला, ये स्टील है, राइट? और इसके बाहर जो है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एल्यूमिनियम कंडक्टर. सो करंट विल बी कैरीड बाय दिस आउटर कंडक्टर ओनली, राइट? दैट आर मेड बाय एल्यूमिनियम, राइट? एल्यूमिनियम is used to provide the mechanical strength only, right? That is the purpose of steel. So here such conductor are known as ACSR conductors, all right? ACSR, okay, means aluminium conductor is steel reinforced, right? इसी तरह से देखो यहाँ पर this is next property is it is used for making aluminum alloys, right? जैसे कि duralumin, hendalium, etc., right? So they are aluminum conductor are suitable for operation in very high ambient, that means surrounding temperature, right? Surrounding temperature high हो, then also you can use these aluminum conductors, right? So these are some of the common application of aluminum. Next is, you can see, it is steel, okay? सो स्टील में देखो, so this subject, let me tell you student, is completely theoretical. You just have to keep this point into your mind. ये पूछी जाएंगी प्रॉपर्टीज आपसे एग्जाम में, 6 to 8 मार्क्स में ये प्रॉपर्टीज आपसे पूछी जाएंगी, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज स्टील. सो स्टील कंटेन्स आयरन with a small percentage of 0.10 to 0.15% of carbon, right, added to it. स्टील में क्या है बेसिकली, स्टील इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ iron and carbon. So carbon is 0.1% to 0.15%, which is added intentionally. So why carbon is added intentionally? Answer is to increase the tensile strength, right? To increase the tensile strength. तो कार्बन ऐड करने से इसका जो टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ है क्या होगा, इट विल इंक्रीज, राइट. सो but when you add carbon, then simultaneously its ductility will decrease, right? That is a negative point, right, of adding carbon. All right. Second is the resistivity of steel is 8 to 9 times higher than the copper, right? Steel is not very commonly used as conducting material, right? And it contains a small percentage of carbon, which increases its mechanical strength or tensile strength, right? Next is too high carbon content. If you add in steel, then steel will become brittle, right, just like a glass. Okay, so steel is easily corroded. This is the next point, next property. Steel is easily corroded by moisture, so you protect your steel with moisture, otherwise it will get corrosion, right? Now aluminum conductor are reinforced, right, by using this steel, right, high tensile steel. So this is called ACSR conductor, which I have already explained. Overhead steel conductor, they are galvanized to prevent corrosion, right? What is the meaning of galvanization? Galvanization means, first of all, you clean